Hi guys, today I'm gonna review the GoPro Vlogging case from Ulanzi. This one. I got it from AliExpress, about $9. It looked pretty nice. And the box is a little bit dirty right here. In the back it shows the indication how to use it. Okay. And now I will show you how to assemble the GoPro in it. Okay. First, open this one. Okay. Right here. And this is GoPro Hero 6. Okay. You have to open the cap first, this one. You can remove this one by gently pull down the lock. Okay, like this. Put into the case. It looks pretty fit in here. Okay, then close. Alright, and this hole uses for the my adapter 3.5, my adapter here. This one I got it from the store called .life. It's around 2,000 baht. $2,000 is around $70 right here. And in the box it said you should put the line this way, okay, upside down. Okay, and then put it in this way to the USB Type-C. It looks pretty cool. Now we will assemble the mic. Here I got the V-Mic Mini from Salamoni. This one is a shotgun mic. Put the whole shoe at the top of the case. Right, this. Just lock. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, and then put in the jack. This is for my 3.5mm jack. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. And then you just use your this one. Okay, like this. And I have the GoPro adapter, this one, to the pole, and just put into the adapter here. So it's gonna be like this. Pretty nice. You still use the button here. Okay. The camera can turn on, and the light is just a little bit disturb the back screen, but that's fine. You can use a screen here. Oh, you can use touch screen here. Okay. And you can also shoot exactly the same position. Okay. The case is pretty cool and very cheap. Alright, so this is the most valuable case of 2019, I think. Okay, thank you for watching.